Okay, we're exiting Cape Breton.
Park Gooseberry
and that's the visitor center over there. So we're going through the Trans-Canada Highway 104 that way. Let's go 104 Antigonish Causeway.
Ah, yeah, that one. Look at that.
So this part is the link between Cape Breton and the other part of Nova Scotia.
Canso Canal.
Canso Canal. Yeah, this one here, this Cape Breton, and that's Nova Scotia. So Elijah, do you know that? That part is Cape Breton. This part is Nova Scotia now.
Okay.
You know Cape Breton is an island, but they built this land bridge to connect them. Causeway.
Causeway yan lang.
Okay, we're entering Graysboro now. Guysboro. Lobster sale. We're 105.